Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to remove your headphones Turtle Beach Atlas Air from the application. And basically this application haven't button to remove your headphones, so you have few options how to do it. The first one is to turn off your headphones, and as you can see I'm just remove it. The second one is to unpair it or disconnect, and the same result, so I will show it to you. Now I'm connecting the headset, and if I go to settings, then connected devices or Bluetooth. Connected devices is if you have Android, and then settings icon or information icon. Disconnect or forget, unpair, it's the same. And as you can see, I'm also remove it from the application. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.